everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Leslie, and if this is your first time watching, hi, I'm so glad to have you here. On my channel I talk about all things luxury, handbags in particular. I do have a soft spot for handbags, but also like small leather goods, scarves and all the good stuff. I also throw in some high street fashion from time to time, so if that sounds like your thing, I would really love it if you could consider subscribing to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up, that would help me out a lot. So for today's video, as the title would have suggested and the timing of me uploading this video is going to be a what I got for Christmas video. Quick disclaimer, I'm not bragging, I'm not filming this to show off, it's just the name of the game of the niche of my channel basically. So yeah, before further ado, let's get into it. So the first item is something that I got for myself. I'm gonna go through the items that I gifted myself for Christmas first, and then we're gonna go into some of the presents that I got from my family. So the biggest item is a gift from me to me, and it came in this gigantic Saint Laurent. I think it's their holiday packaging because usually they come in black bags, but this is like a gold shimmery one. I already took the box out, so let me grab it. Here we go. Can someone guess? I know, probably not, but this is a bag that I featured in one or two shopping vlogs, so definitely a kind of a planned purchase because I've had my eye on this bag for quite a while. A little ASMR. Any guesses? I got myself a Saint Laurent toy LouLou in black with gold hardware. I realized that I do have a need for an everyday-ish small leather bag in black. Of course, I have my Chanel Jumbo, but in particular, given the recent price increases, I realized I shouldn't wear that bag too often because, I mean, the price back then when I purchased the bag, which was, I think in, March 2019, I paid like a little over 5K. That was insane already, but yeah, the prices right now are crazy. So I shouldn't wear it as an everyday bag or as a regular bag on the weekend. So yeah, I realized that I might have a need for a smaller black leather handbag. So there we are. I'm so glad I purchased it. I did take a look at this exact one in kind of a burgundy color a few months ago. I also filmed a shopping vlog back then. Well, I didn't shop anything, but I definitely did take a look at this one in the burgundy color and also in a beigey color, which was beautiful too. But I figured I am in need of another black bag, so here we are. I'm so glad that I decided to go for it and gift it to myself for Christmas. And here is the leather strap, and it's adjustable, which is great because I'm not the tiniest person, so it works both crossbody and also just worn on the shoulder. Just need to adjust the strap length for that. And yeah, I guess since I haven't worn it yet, there's no point in me doing a review at this point, but yeah, give it a few weeks, a few months, depending on how much I get to wear it. I'm definitely going to film a more in-depth video with mod shots, what fits inside, wear and tear updates, which hopefully there won't be any signs of wear and tear. But yeah, I mean, it's also a pretty common bag, so most of you will know what the toy LouLou looks like. But yeah, super small, and obviously the strap is detachable, which is great, but I don't think I'd ever wear it without the strap. But nonetheless, it's great that you can detach it. And on the inside you have those, it's a black hole, but you have two compartments, which I mean, does limit your ability to fit in bulkier items, but I mean, it's a small bag to begin with, so you can definitely fit in your essentials, but water bottle, no chance. Umbrella, unless you have a really tiny one, not a chance. But I mean, you know what you sign up for when you get a small bag like this. And the leather is so puffy and pretty sturdy. I mean, it is a soft-ish structure, but still the leather is super sturdy, so I don't think it will lose its structure anytime soon. Plus, I mean, it does have some weight to it because of the leather and the thickness of the leather, but in general, I don't think there will be any sagging or anything like that. I mean, it's pretty hard to get any kind of sagging on such a small bag, but yeah, present from me to me. And the second item that I got myself for Christmas comes in this white box. And I think maybe you can read what it says on there, but we're gonna unbox it together. Beautifully packaged with like branded tissue paper and, okay, 2 items actually, but I only bought one. I got myself a candle. It's a Christmas themed candle from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, which I don't think I pronounced that correctly, but you get the idea. It's the brand that the fragrance Baccarat Rouge 540 comes from, and I haven't unsealed the plastic packaging yet, but I know what it smells like because it actually came with a miniature candle in the same scent, because I think I surpassed kind of a threshold for a gift with purchase. So delicious. It's the scent Pomme d'Amour, which means love apple. Those are like these, actual apples covered with like a sugary coating, I guess. So it does have a slight apple note to it, but more so sugary and definitely vanilla in there. So delicious, and I hope the throw when I actually light the candle will be pretty room filling as well. So yeah, that's what I got for myself. So yeah, 2 presents that I got myself, and I guess we're gonna segue into the presents that I got from my parents. I spent the holidays with my parents. We live in the same city, so it wasn't like a huge like travel, but still nice to stay at my parents for a couple of days. And oh, by the way, I unboxed it off camera, but let me quickly unbox it again. Comes in another like white box. Looks different than the first one, but it's from the same brand. And it came with this cute little card. So cute. To reveal. Oh no, I ripped the sticker, but oh well. Talking about Baccarat Rouge 540, this is a present that I knew I was getting because I ordered it and then my parents gave me the money for it. I think I've mentioned in a couple of videos that this scent is just my signature scent, which is crazy because the price is crazy. But yeah, I did have a 30 milliliter bottle, but that wasn't nearing its end and I knew that I couldn't live without it, so I asked my parents for the 70 milliliter bottle. And I mean, if you haven't smelled Baccarat Rouge before, definitely go inside a perfume store or department store where they carry Maison Francis Kurkdjian, because this scent is just something else. I wear it year round. It's a little heavy and you have to be really light-handed when you spray it on your body, because like 1 or 2 spritzes are definitely enough, and sometimes it's even lasting throughout several washes of my clothes. Also super pretty on the sides with this gold foiling. Might be season specific. Definitely the sleeve that the fragrance came in. Same as on the card that I showed earlier, but there we go. Don't fall, don't fall. Finally, I can smell great again. I mean, I try to stretch the remains of the 30 milliliter bottle as long as possible, and plus since November I knew that I was getting this one for Christmas, so yeah, so glad to have a full bottle again. And I just love this centerpiece. Basically, I could sell my entire other perfume collection because I usually wear this and I'm good to go, because I just love the scent and I love the idea of having a signature fragrance. So yeah, there's that. And the last item, or the last items that I got from my parents for Christmas came in this white bag. So you might have an idea what it is. I mean, I did know that I was getting the Maison Francis Kurkdjian perfume. This one caught me completely off guard. Yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it and then maybe we'll have some time to chat about it. Where do I start? Let's start with this one. Can you see the sticker? Hopefully it focuses. It's from the Chanel Factory 5 collection, which was all the rage in like, what, June, July? I wasn't really interested in purchasing anything. At least I told myself that I didn't want anything, because when you look at it, in particular the water bottle, but basically everything that came in the Factory 5 collection, it was just massively overpriced and overhyped, in my opinion at least. So I was successful in telling myself that I didn't want or need anything from that collection. But I mean, apparently my mom listened. I don't even think we talked about it. Maybe we did. Maybe I told her that the resale prices on eBay and stuff were like insane, and that the craze about the Factory 5 collection was pretty significant. Anyway, apparently she was able to read between the lines that I actually wanted something from the collection, just didn't want to spend the money myself, or couldn't justify buying it myself. So she bought the metal tin with, it's still sealed. Maybe we can unseal it without ruining the sticker. While I unbox, those are the bath tablets in this like tin container. There we go. So cute. And yeah, there we go. I don't, maybe it says down here 10 bath tablets. So quite a good amount. And I mean, I was so surprised when I unboxed this on Christmas, because I had no idea that she even tried to get something, let alone actually managed to purchase something. And okay, yeah, then she also got 2 samples, Chanel No. 5 L'Eau and Chanel Paris Riviera. There's one of those Liseau de Chanel. Testers are always great. And she even got one of those net bags, and she was like, I didn't even know they put that inside the bag, because it came sealed in this like paper envelope, and she didn't open it. She didn't even ask for it, because she didn't know that this was even a thing. So yeah, such a surprise for her, but also for me, of course. And one last item, I decided to not include presents that I got from work colleagues or friends, because I don't know if they'd be okay with me showing them. I mean, they are mine now, but I don't want this video to be super long, so I'm gonna keep it short and end it with a present that I got from my sister. Let me rebox it, sorry about that. There we go, came in this cute little box. And if you follow me on Instagram and you watch my stories, you may know that I do have a thing for handbags and luxury items, obviously, but also for pretty coffee and tea mugs. And I mean, I was born in the 90s, so Disney has definitely been an integral part of my childhood. And this is a super pretty Cinderella mug with like gold accents. Definitely not machine washable safe. I do have to wash it by hand. Yeah, not suitable for a dishwasher or microwave. So I definitely have to take care of this, because otherwise I guess the gold foiling will basically disappear. And on the inside it says, at the stroke of midnight, ... I don't think the camera focuses, but you'll have to believe me on that one. So cute. And I display some of my mugs and some are stored away, because I don't want my space to be over cluttered. So let me know if you want me to film a mug collection. I think Mel in Melbourne a couple of months ago filmed a vintage teacup collection, but I mean, her audience is way bigger, and I guess she's at a point where she can talk about anything and people will still watch it. I don't know if you'd be interested in watching me talk about mugs, but let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Anyway, so cute. And yeah, there you have it, my what I got for Christmas video. Super glad about everything, obviously, and of course Christmas is not about getting gifts and the material items, but also getting together with your family. And even if you don't celebrate Christmas, the holiday season is a great time to treat yourself, treat your loved ones, and also unwind a little, take things a little more slowly, because also at work, usually the holiday season is a little slower than usual, so a great time to reflect on the years past. I mean, the last 2 years have been crazy for all of us. And I also want to take the time to thank you for all your support and for watching my videos, subscribing, liking, commenting and interacting with my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm so close to reaching 1K subscribers, which is an insane amount. I won't reach it until the end of the year unless there will be some belated Christmas magic happening, but that's okay too. I'm not chasing any numbers here. I'm just really appreciative of all your feedback and support. And yeah, I'm excited for 2022. I hope, time permitting, that I'll get back into more regular filming. And yeah, I upload every Wednesday unless I don't. Yeah, anyway, before I ramble on any further, thanks so much for watching. Thumb up this video, consider subscribing, that would help me out a lot. And until next time, bye.